So I got my heater in the box going for a test. Here I got 12 volt input coming from this through a cigarette lighter. Just using this kind of to tie the wires together here, but that'll be fixed up. And some of these wires need to be trimmed and all, but basically I've got my control unit right here. Got my air intake going back here, exhaust, fuel line runs to my tank. Also gonna make that permanent there. Then my exhaust pipe's coming out there, and then this is the hot air output there that I got running behind me and coming out and blowing out nice warm air here now. So it's on low now. It's running really good. Everything's staying cool in here. Hear the fuel pump going. So you control the heat by the frequency of the fuel pump. So cranking this up, you can hear that fuel pump start to increase. Starting to hear it increase, and then well, hot air is getting warmer and more. It's starting to ramp up. Oh boy, that's a lot of air now. But it's running great. Ta-da!